Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome. Today I'll be making one of Nigerian best dishes, GIZDODO. But because I have everyone's interest, I'll be showing you how to make GIZDODO for those that have access to plantain, or GIZPO'TE for those that have access to potato. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients you need to make GIZDODO or GIZPO'TE. First, you need tomato paste, gizzard, potato, some veggies, carrots, green beans, whatever you want, plantain. First, we are going to prep the gizzard. I'll be cutting it into two. So guys, our gizzard is thoroughly washed. I'm going to add my spices and then cook it. I'll be adding diced onion, some salt, curry, thyme, cumin, ginger, powdered ginger. You don't need this much spices. I'm just like that, but I'll leave everything on the screen. You don't need this much spices, please. You just need the basics: diced onions, salt, and seasoning cubes. You just need the basics. So after that, I don't put water if I'm cooking anything. I just allow it to soak in the spices, and then after that I'll add some water. I added water. The gizzard is thoroughly cooked. I'm just going to drain it out, and then we'll prep the plantain and get ready to fry. For the plantain, you just cut it in square shapes, just the way I cut the Irish potato. So after cutting the plantain, you heat up your oil and then you start to fry. This oil is foaming because I used it to fry chin chin yesterday. I'm not about to pour all this oil away. So yeah, that's why it's foaming. So I'll fry the plantain first. You can see the plantain is golden. I don't know, like I feel like we should have a plantain day. So the plantain is ready. I'm going to take it out and then fry the potato. Like I said, the oil is foaming because I used it to fry chin chin yesterday. The plantain is ready. Frying the potato now. After that, I'm going to fry the gizzard. If you don't like frying, it's not a must to fry the gizzard. You can just use it boiled. The gizzard is ready. I'm going to take it out and heat some oil. Add your onions, your tomato paste. This tomato paste, I just blended tomato paste and fresh tomato with pepper and onion. Then I put in a colander. I sieved it out. My blender is not that smooth, so it didn't really blend it like this. I had to sieve out the seeds. So after that, I just added little salt and half cube of seasoning. I added my vegetables. You can use any vegetable, red bell pepper, carrots, green beans, anything that works for you. Then I stir it for a while. I added my gizzard, also did stir it for a while, and then I added the plantain and the potato. So here we are, we have our GIZDODO and GIZPO'TE. Guys, this tastes really good. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit so you guys can see how beautiful this food looks. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and leave a comment in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.